Hello, my name is Jeremy.Orlando. I'm going to be walking around the 310RL Paradigm by Alliance RV. Okay, so walking in this 310, we've got, let's start over here, the freestanding dinette, which is common in the Paradigm units. And as if you look down, you can see it says no carpet zone. They got linoleum throughout this whole thing, no carpet throughout the unit. Beautiful Kensington collection furniture with recliners and the sofa bed. Center island, beautiful fireplace. You just really have to come see and look inside this unit. TV, DVD, but really the kitchen is what I want to focus on a little bit. Stainless steel appliances, but we have a 4-top cooktop on the stove and a 3.73 cubic foot oven. So really more of that residential size stovetop oven and refrigerator. It is still gas and electric, but a huge refrigerator, nice little pantry right next to the fridge, just really set up well for that extended stay periods and spending some good quality time in this unit. Walking up into the bedroom, you've got, again, your own TV up here, and just really there's so much to say about this unit that you should come down and take a look. Washer and dryer hookups, 6-drawer chest, dresser, wired for solar, wired for generator. However you need to set this up, this unit is ready to go. Walking around the outsides, it's got one of the biggest storage compartments that I've seen in a while on a fifth wheel. All enclosed tanks, heated, really insulated for the all-weather camping here in Oregon. Thank you for walking around this 310RL Paradigm by Alliance RV. My name is Jeremy.Orlando, and if you have any questions, please give me a call, 541-914-3693.